Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure Bluetooth is on and your device is unlocked. This speeds access. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps or Applications. This is where Android often stores transfer entries or permissions. Make sure to check Storage and Files permissions for the system or File Manager apps, because without access, you won't see histories. If your phone uses a manufacturer skin, the path may be slightly different. Tap Search inside Settings and type Bluetooth or Files to jump directly. Now you look inside Files or My Files, navigate to Internal Storage, then the Bluetooth folder. Transferred files usually appear there with timestamps so you can identify when they arrived. Next, inspect Downloads and Pictures folders because some devices route transfers there. To see app-level logs, open Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Bluetooth sharing or file transfer, then Storage. You can view cache and data details. Don't clear data yet, but clearing cache can refresh listings. Use that if entries look stale. Finally, if you need detailed records beyond file timestamps, use ADB Logcat to read Bluetooth transfer events. This requires USB debugging enabled and a computer. Run Logcat while performing a test transfer to capture entries. If files aren't showing, toggle Bluetooth off and on, reboot the phone, then perform a small test transfer to reproduce the event. This clears transient issues. If problems persist, verify the paired device's history and time settings, because mismatched clocks can make recent transfers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.